Hi, this is me, your air hostess with pious service. Flight 5003. Your tea, sir. Would you like one sugar or two?
Thanks.
Come on, guys. Nobody's here. Plane has been hijacked.
Oh my god.
Everybody's hands up, don't move.
Stop it, rascals. Now it's my turn. Don't be worried, you are safe. Hello, control tower. The plane was hijacked, but I handled the situation. The plane will be land soon.
Arrest them, bloody hijackers. Thanks for your appreciation, guys.